Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video. Yeah, I apologize for that. It's just that I'm just a little lazy to do one. So this particular model comes from 3000 Toys. I was shocked that they have one. I thought I was supposed to go, on eBay and buy it from Germany. But I was surprised that 3000 Toys had this one. So first thing out of the box, it is the Wiking Liebherr L556 loader. Now this loader is going to be part of my Chicago collection. I know it's kind of weird that it's going to be in my Chicago collection because one, the city of Chicago does not have any Liebherr loaders. They have case 824Gs, which is the newest loaders they've bought. And the case 824G does not exist in 1 to 32nd scale. So I have to purchase a loader that is in the same class as the case, and that's the L556. Let's take this out the box. There's one more thing in the box, but I'll save that for later. And I hope I pronounced the name right. This is the first model I bought from this manufacturer. Is the battery doing good? Yep, battery's fine. Oh, okay, it's bigger than I thought. Alright, careful, careful. Holy cow, this is beefy. As you can see, the engine compartment opens. You can see the engine in there. A little blurry, but yeah. And this is the same color rims as the case 824. That's another reason why I bought it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the 556 decal and put the City of Chicago seal, streets and sanitation, and the identification number, and blah blah blah. Put it on there. Put the identification number on the windscreen. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Here's the bucket. Wow, the bucket is 100% plastic. Shocking. I'm gonna get a material handling bucket from another seller from Europe. Because a lot of the City of Chicago loaders do not have teeth. They have blades at the end. And this one right here looks like it's the parts. It's like the parts for the loader. And wheel chocks. I think that's wheel chocks in there. And the forks, which the city do have. Alright, that's it for this one. What's the other one that I got? It is the NZG Okada TS2200 V crusher. And there's a reason why I got this one. I've bought this crusher, I think last year, for my 375 Joel excavator. And now I bought another one for my newest addition, the John Deere 870 P Series excavator. Don't mind the compartment door, that's like a packaging error. Yep. So this thing is going on this excavator. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next time.